What up, YouTube? We're installing the front pipe and over pipe on the FRS. Let's go ahead and get down here. We're gonna go ahead and show you what you got to do to get the front pipe and over pipe off. And I just hit my head on the fucking jack. That's great. God, that hurt. All right, so you can see. I know it's really zoomed in. That's the catalytic converter. That's the over pipe. So you're gonna see this water shield right here. You're gonna use 10 millimeter socket right there, if you can focus. So we're gonna take this off. There's gonna be, I think, 4 bolts on this side, like that, and then you're just gonna take these off. So this is gonna make your job a lot easier. I prefer you go ahead and make the car cold. You know, don't drive it too much. You want to do this when it's cold because these are gonna be hot as crap. Yeah, you're gonna go ahead and take these 3 off, and then we'll go ahead and take this off. These are, I think, 14 millimeter or 12 millimeter, and yeah, it's gonna connect to the mid pipe. So we're gonna get this over pipe and the front pipe where the cat is. We first gotta take this off. So first step, jack up your car. Second step, go ahead and take the water shield off, and we'll be back when we get this off.
You do this, you see?
So we gotta
and
take
give me
this
another
off.
wrench.
Another one?
No, let me get it. I'll get one from over here.
Alright, so we're running into a problem here. These bolts are getting real hard. You might have trouble with these, so you might have to take these off. These are 14. You should get a wrench and then get another one connected and then move it. And this right here next to the catalytic converter is getting a real problem.
14.
Yeah, preferably get snap-on tools because I got Pittsburgh and that stuff's not good. So yeah, we're running into this problem with catalytic converter, but we took the water shield off, as you can see. Here are the stock headers, and we're going to take the over pipe, and then we're going to get to the front pipe over there. So yeah, we'll be back. Just go ahead and take these 2 off, and we'll be back. Good, I got Pittsburgh ones. We finally got it off, guys. It'll take forever. Alright.
One of them's loose.
Is it working up? You got to hold the other side, right? Alright, so this is it right here. So this is the over pipe, dude.
And let me see this one out.
Alright.
And this is the best way to do it. You see?
Right.
You get this.
We're gonna learn right here.
You get it like this.
Double wrench right
You get
here.
a double wrench. You got more stuff to pry, and then just.
Right. Ooh, that sounds bad. Oh shit. Alright. After y'all get these 2 out right here, I'm gonna get
The back one is a 13, right?
yeah, it should be a 13.
It only has 2 now.
Yeah. What's up, y'all? This is my boy Arthur with his 350Z. We're jacking up the FRS right here.
I got a spoon in here, though.
I don't know why I got a spoon in there. Alright, so we went ahead and unloosened these right here, these bolts. I think they were 14 millimeter or 15. This is the catted one, stock, and then this is the Speed by Design, the one that we ordered in the video. Speed by Design comes with the gaskets, and we'll see how much, and we'll be back when we do it. Hey y'all, it almost took us about like what, an hour and a half to take this fucking small. So the problem we were running under the pipe, under the car, was we had to take it out from the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Okay, so bring the down pipe or the front pipe, the new one. All right, I'm gonna see if we can get and bring your. All right, we'll be back. All right, y'all. So we're getting on the FRS. So when y'all are installing this, y'all are gonna fucking run into a lot of problems.
God damn, let me take these off.
Okay, so this is the problem we had when taking this off. So this right here is usually where that pipe would go in the stock. So we had to take these off, the heat coatings or whatever these things off, the shields, heat shields. I think they had 10 millimeter, so you have to take those off. And it's not gonna come off from this side. We had to throw it towards that way. We had to pour it towards Arthur over there. So when you take this off, you're gonna have to pull it that way and take all the heat shields off. But they're a pain in the ass. There's like 4 bolts.
Just start twisting and wiggling.
Yep, that's what we had to do. So we'll be back once we put it on. Sorry to mention, guys, and sorry to record it. It was just a long day. It took me about 2 days to redo the whole thing. The problem I ran into was we didn't have any. The gaskets that they gave us from Speed by Design did not fit the mid pipe and I have stock, exhaust on it. So I don't know if you have NVIDIA in one exhaust, SBD exhaust, arc exhaust, but for the stock exhaust mid pipe running to the back of the exhaust system, it wasn't working. It didn't fit the gaskets that they gave you from Speed by Design. They did not fit at all. Like, it was not letting it go in. There was a leak. There was an exhaust leak. So we had to go to our local Pep Boys and get a 2.5-inch exhaust gasket. My bad. And you might have to run into that, but that's what I ran into. So y'all might not. Just want to let y'all know. So if that happens to y'all know what to do. But that's pretty much it. And here's a video of the cold start and revving. All right, go. All right, rev it 1,000 and then rev it all the way. Keep revving it all the way up. Just keep it all the way. It has launch control. Yeah, all the way, all the way.